What's the meaning of abridge? Abridge. 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 To abridge means to shorten a text or document while retaining the main points. This can be done by removing unnecessary details, passages, or chapters. The result of an abridged text is typically shorter and easier to read, but it may still be comprehensive and informative. Here are some examples of how abridgment can be used. A publisher might abridge a classic novel to make it more accessible to a younger audience. A teacher might abridge a textbook to make it easier for students to learn the material. A government agency might abridge a complex law to make it easier for citizens to understand their rights. Abridgment can be a useful tool for making information more accessible to a wider audience. However, it is important to be careful when abridging a text, as it is possible to lose important information in the process.